Good morning, students. So, now we are going to discuss something beyond functional group of alcohol. Now, see here, today's discussion is what is alkyl group. The alkyl group is represented by a single capital letter called R. As you are aware, alkyl group is formed from alkane. If you remove one hydrogen from alkane, it will definitely becomes as alkyl group. I will explain here right now. Next, now we are going to introduce about ketone. In last class we saw about alcohol, that is OH. Alcohol is OH. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol and pentanol structure we saw. In this class we are going to see about ketone. How many structures are there? Only 3 structures of ketone is there. How we are going to draw that structure along with this formula? This is called general formula. R ketone group along with R dash. This R and R dash refers to alkyl group. What is alkyl group? It is very simple. Alkane group has been transferred to alkyl group by removing of one hydrogen. I already written here. See here. First member of alkane group is methane. Second is ethane. Third is propane. Fourth is butane. How it came? With the formula of CnH2n plus 2, that is the alkane group. And putting on substituting n is equal to 1, we get this one. N is equal to 2, we get ethane. On n is equal to 3, propane. N is equal to 4, we will get butane. By removing one hydrogen, this methane will become as methyl, CH3. CH4 has become as CH3 by removing one hydrogen, that is I written here. It becomes as alkane group has been become as alkyl group. Methane has been become as methyl. So ethane H6, on removing one hydrogen it will become C2H5. This term will become changed as ethane has been changed as ethyl. Ethyl can also be written like this, CH3 CH2, that is C2H5 C2H5. Both are same. Similarly, propane is C3H8. On removing one hydrogen it becomes C3H7. The propane will become as propyl here. So it is its structure, CH3 CH2 CH2 is a structure of propyl. Similarly, last butane C4H10. On removing one hydrogen it becomes C4H9. What will be its structure? It will be like this: 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon, 3 5 7 9 hydrogen. So C4H9 is butyl. So methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl is called it as alkyl group, and this alkyl group is represented by a single letter R. So hope these two things is over. Now what are the 3 general structures of ketone? Let me explain here. So structure, 3 structures. Structure number 1. Structure 1. What is general formula? R ketone of R dash. So structure 2 is also R ketone of R dash. Next one is last structure 3, R ketone of R dash. So what is this R? R is nothing but alkyl group. It starts from methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl and pentyl. But for these 3 structure, we are just going to use these 2 alone is enough. That is for your syllabus. See how I am using in first case, both side are methyl. Methyl is CH3 of ketone, then CH3. Both side alkyl group. Both side alkyl group, that is called methyl methyl along with ketone. In structure 2, I am using both side ethyl. CH3 CH2 is the ethyl, then ketone CH3 CH2. This is alkyl group, this is alkyl group. Both are ethyl. These also ethyl. This is methyl and this is also methyl. In third, it's very simple. I am going to use one side methyl and one side ethyl. How? CH3 CO CH3 and CH2. These are the 3 structure. Now the question will be how to keep the name. Very simple. Count the name. IUPAC name. How to count the carbon. 1 2 3. 3 carbon means prop. Bond is single. Bond is single bond. So alkane N. What is the functional group? Functional group is ketone. Combine these three things: propane plus ketone. Now remove this E. Now remove this E. On removing this E, you will get propane. In ketone, you just add 1. What will be the answer? Propanone is the first structure of ketone. Now second structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon means methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. So pentane. Pent is the 5 carbon. Bond is single bond. So alkane group, ANE. So altogether we will get a name called pentane. Ketone is there. So how we can write now? You have to combine both these things. Pentanone. Pentanone is the structure name of second structure of ketone. Now third structure, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbon, bute. Single bond, so ane. Functional group, ketone. So let us combine all these things. Butane plus ketone. Use this ONE, drop this E, then combine all. Butanone. So generally 3 structure. 1 is 2, 3. One is propanone. Second one is butanone. Third one is pentanone. Hope these are the 3 important structures of ketones. I hope you got understood. So please try at home. Then only you can easily understood this concept and you can easily draw this structure. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.